So today I'm going to do this book about cakes, just because I love sweet, desserts. This book looks just gorgeous. New Zealand cake is from, of course, New Zealand, and of course, there's all the European stuff. Like this is from Swiss. This is from Ukraine, Mazurek. This is from Afghanistan, Shirpira. This is with potatoes, baozi from Chin. I must go. Okay, we did this. South Africa, Malva pudding. Burkina Faso, Banfora. Côte d'Ivoire, gâteau au coco. Gâteau napolitain, Île Maurice. Morocco, Chebakia. Oh, I should also show Kadaif au fruits secs. Is Morocco. This is pastilla sucré au sésame. Let's see, Kak Anbar, Tunisie. Citron Bund cake, citron pavot, États-Unis. That's America. This one is Gâteau Encantado, Peru. This is Sohan from Iran. This is from Israel, Kanefa. This is from Israel too, Kant's cake. This is from Lebanon, Sfouf. This is from Lebanon, Znoud, El Sit. The peace in the world, this is Palestine, Kak. And to say, this was the Swiss one. Strosselkuchen, this is Germany. This is Armenia, Natsuk. This is Belgique, Gestrekenmastel. This one here is Pagnon Buran in Belgique. This one here is Denmark, Brunsviger. This was Tarta de Santiago, España. This is cake au citron. This is France. This is flan parisienne, France. This is Gâteau de Savoie, France. This is Hungary, Baigli. This is Ireland, sticky toffee pudding. This is Italy, Colomba. Of course, tiramisu is also. Crostata alla ricotta is Italian. And spongata is Italy. Torta caprese, Italy. Pepperkok, Pays-Bas. This is Dutch. This is Cernik from Polonia. This one is Portugal, Salame de Chocolat. World peace in cooking, world peace. Millionaire's shortbread. This is UK. This is Victoria sponge cake. This is Chocolade Flarn, Sweden. This is Kanelbullar, Sweden. Gâteau de Vouilly, Swiss. See, this is the way to have world peace. Make lots of nice stuff to eat and invite everybody. This is Tourte de la Cour zurichoise. Okay, so Corée du Sud, Hodu Guaja. And this is hot Corée du Sud, South Korea. This is India, jalebi. I've had these. This is very, very sweet. This is Japan, kasutera or matcha. This is Japan too, mochi daifuku alamand with nuts. Sanbin makin is Myanmar. This is Russian, medovik. For all the Russian and Ukrainian soldiers, I invite them to eat sweets, God willing. Gâteaux de riz gluant à la mangue, Thailand, to promote peace. Ban Bo, Vietnam. And Lamington's cake, Australian. This is Pavlova, Australian. Yeah, we said Louis cake, New Zealand, but more African. This is Egypt, basbousa. Also Egyptian, menenath. This one here is Ghana, kate cake. This is Île Maurice, gâteau napolitain. Also Puit d'amour. Okay, I'm going back there. So I've done this. So, if you want to have a try in making these beautiful cakes and sweets, this is the book to look. This is, of course, German. Himmelstorte. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.